know if you're still in here, Jeffrey, but this is it right here. You can buy these on Amazon. You see, it just slides on your line. It just slides onto the line like that. You get the swivel that keeps it in place. Then I just put like a 20-pound leader line with my bait nabber hooks. Number 4 on the left's getting a little action. Yeah, big Rolo, definitely. I think we're pushing upwards of 50 follows today. Yep, 40. Oh, here we go. We got action. This one's taking off. I can't stop it. Drag down a little bit. What a run! Look at that, guys. That's a big one there. Woo! My PB's like 15 something. This is going to be pretty close to it. It's a good fish. I'm going to get them weighed. Hopefully y'all getting some screenshots. I would appreciate that. This is not an overall PB, but definitely a PB for out here. 16.09. My net weighs 2.2, so that's 14.07. That's still a good sized freaking fish right there. At least we know there's some big carp out here. Let's freaking go. Yeah.